Wait. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my birthday gifts. I'm filming this literally on the 22nd of October. I know it's been a while, but it's a little late. But I thought, better late than never. I had the Navratri series that was going on and so many vlogs and birthdays. I just couldn't sit down and film, and I kind of changed the background because my wall that I painted is also lavender, and I don't want to clash it. So I'm really excited for today's video. So let's get started, and I am no way in shape or form showing you guys. It's not a show off. I'm just sharing with you guys whatever I got because I did it 2 years. I've been doing it for a year now, and I really like watching such kind of videos. Alright, the first thing I had to get my hands on was from Malvika Sitlani. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge fan, believer, whatever you want to call it, as for Malvika Sitlani, and she came out with her own brand called as Beauty. It's so beautiful. The packaging is nude, and I ordered it for myself because I wanted it so bad that I think she released it around the last 2 days or 1 day of September. So I waited and I ordered it, and it literally came on my birthday or a day ago, a day after or something. I love it so much. I've not yet used it. I've never burned her candles, but this is so pretty. Look at the box, so pretty. She came out with 2 candles. Okay, the first one is called as Me Time, and the second one is called as Beauty Sleep. I've not even touched them. I love the packaging so much. I wanted to show you guys all my products and then start using them, but they smell amazing. Okay, I put them in the cupboard behind me, and that entire row started smelling lovely. Love these ones, so pretty. Love it so much. I don't know if ever Malvika Sitlani sees this, but I love you, girl. I am just waiting for more and more products from her, and I'm definitely gonna buy them. Anyways, now that I'm done fangirling over that, the next thing I bought is actually a chain that I'm actually wearing. This is from Jiva. This is a pure, I think a silver brand or something like that. I wore this chain. I'm gonna try showing you guys a close-up. Can you guys see this? Okay, I'm wearing that chain. I will show you guys a picture of it right here. I love the chain so much. It has these beautiful tiny droplets, and it's so pretty. It makes me love myself a lot, and it kind of gives you that oomph in an outfit. I love it so much. Really pretty. Talking about chains, I wanted to talk to you guys about another chain. This is the one that I'm talking about. This is actually a beautiful chain that I got from H&M. Really pretty. It's very dainty. I will leave a picture over here. I wore it on my birthday. I loved it so much. I love it so much. So pretty, so dainty, and I've been searching for these chains a lot, but personally I don't like to wear anything artificial because it kind of itches me. I either wear silver, platinum or gold, and diamonds, of course. Who doesn't like diamonds? But yeah, no, jokes aside, my body usually reacts to anything artificial, so I tend to not put any artificial things on my body for more than 2-3 hours. Even my earrings, if I wear those heavy earrings, I kind of try dimming down the time. But this is so pretty. I wore it on my birthday. I love it so much. Really dainty. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna do the makeup now, and I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of makeup that I got gifted, and then I'm gonna show you guys something really I've never expected, and I'm so happy. So the first thing that I got is from this is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill collaboration. This is the volume 2. I love colors, you can see on my eyes as well. Really pretty. I've never used this eyeshadow palette. I've just used it on my birthday, but look at the palette, you guys. Oh my god, this turns me on. Makeup is such a happy place. Oh my god, love it. So I got this one for my birthday, and I'm so happy that I got gifted this because, dude, this is costly. Okay, this is 3,000 bucks, and I was not in any shape, way or form gonna buy this, but maybe I would. You never know. But oh my god, I'm gonna cherish this palette. I'm never gonna throw this palette away. I love it. Oh my god, and from now on I cannot wait to do looks with this. Oh, like look at the palette. It starts with a white, ends with a black. It has all the colors, and I am somebody who loves colors. Like I love my pinks. I love them so much. So love it. The next bunch of things that I got is actually, I think these are things that I would have never ordered it for myself. And
this is the Benefit? Very nice, Aarati, very nice.
but this is the Benefits Kiss and Play lip tints. These are like 3 shades. This has a Cha-Cha tint, a Play tint, and a Love tint. Lovely. And these are like 3 full sizes. I don't know how much is this. It says 3,300. I think it was on sale or something like this. I don't know. But these look so pretty. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait to try all of this. So I feel like, you know, if I'm ever going on a vacation, I think these 3 are enough. Love it. The next thing I again got is something I thought of getting, but I felt like, you know, I might not ever use it. This is the e.l.f.'s Monochromatic multi-stick in sparkling rose. Look at the color. It has that deep mauve pink kind of a color. It has browns, it has pinks, it has nude. Lovely, yeah. Come on. I would have never bought this. Like I told you guys, I'm not a tint person or kind of a stick person. I kind of feel like it kind of removes my foundation. That is what I feel. The next gift, I remember it was a free gift because these products were ordered from Nikah, and I think Lalit used my account, and you know, on Nikah, if it's your birthday month, they kind of give you one freebie. So this was that. This is the Nikah Black Magic Kajal. I don't use kajals a lot, but at the same time, during the festive seasons, kajal looks really pretty, so I use that. I think I got another, I think this is a freebie. This is the Benefit Professional. I've heard so much about this. I really want to try how this looks and all of that. So it's really pretty, really cute and small. The next thing I got is another blush. I think Lalit loves blush, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is the Flower Beauties Blush Bomb in the shade, I want to say, Cinnamon. Oh my god. I think these are all in my wish list, and he literally added products. I wanted to get my hands on this, and I think I've never got this. It was always out of stock, yeah. I don't know why. It comes into stock like 5-10 minutes and it is out of stock. And I've heard like such good reviews about this, so I want to try this. I got this one. The next one I got is actually like a free pouch from Benefit. No bad days, just brow days. I think this is like a spectacle holder. Those are all the things that I got from makeup perspective as my gift. Now let's talk about something I don't have in my hand, but I'm going to show you guys pictures. The next gift that I got for my birthday is my birthday dress. Oh my god, that dress was so lovely. If you know me, if you've been following me for a while, I have never in my life worn crop tops. And the minute I saw that dress, that is something I got it for myself. The minute I saw that dress, I'm like, oh my god, look at that, it's so beautiful. And the skirt I got is that sage green skirt. Lovely. Oh my god, like, can you look at my nails? So I got my nails matching to my outfit, and this was a color that my mom picked up for my nails, so I had to get it because it's just a remembrance for me that she's with me. So I got these nails done, and that dress, you guys, I'll post bunch of pictures over here. You can see, if you guys are following me on Instagram, you already know, you've already seen it. I love it so much. It's beautiful. And that satin skirt, you guys, it felt like I wore nothing. It has slits to the 2 sides of it. Lovely. I just cannot get over that. And the top was so basic. It is a white crop top, and that's all. It had a V-neck. It's pretty. I love it. Oh my god, if you guys have not seen my birthday vlog, check it out. It looks like this, and I'll put it up in the cards also for you guys. Love it so much. The next thing I got are something basic. Now I got these sneakers. These were gifted by my brother. Now personally speaking, I am not a sneaker person. I like sneakers, but at the same time, I feel like, you know, oh my god, who's gonna wear my sneakers? Like, you know, you put on the shoes, you have to tie the lace and all of that. Now that we've been in the pandemic for like god knows how many days and months, I want to like travel, and if I'm ever traveling, I want to travel in shoes because I've seen the comfort of traveling in shoes, and I don't have good shoes, you guys. I just have one pair, and that is pink in color, and it is satin. so it kind of gets dirty really quick. So I got gifted these because I had two choices. I had a rainbow one that was lovely, I really want to take it, or this one. So I chose the white one again because it's basic and it goes with everything. Next couple of things that I got gifted, I think there are only two more if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there are only two more. So I'm wrapping up really quick, you guys. So the last couple of things in the tech thing that I found is this one. Can you guys, like, I'm going to show you guys what it is. I have not used it yet, but it's actually a ring light. I wanted to get this. I think this was on the recommendation of Malvika Satlani again. So I religiously follow her, okay? Please. So yeah, I got this light. I wanted to use this light today, but I realized that, you know, there was no battery, so I think I have to buy the battery and then I'm gonna put it up really soon. But I cannot wait for you guys to see the quality of this. Looks amazing. The next thing and the last thing, literally the last thing, is amazing, you guys. So I love vlogging, but sometimes I feel like this Canon camera, I'm using the EOS M50, and I feel like, you know, I use it very roughly. So I kind of try filming it on my phone, I try filming it on this, everywhere. But I wanted something that was easy access, and who doesn't like a GoPro, okay? Wait, I did not get it. It's not a GoPro, but it is a consolation prize kind of a thing. But anyways, whatever it is, I'm going to show you guys and I'm really excited about it, okay? This is the DJI Osmo Pocket, and it looks so cute. This is how it looks like, okay? It is so tiny. It has this case that it comes in, and it has this. I'm going to try showing you guys how it switches on. Yeah, I'm going to switch it on. See how pretty it looks as. Oh my god. I love it so much. It's super pretty, really convenient, and so I cannot talk anything about this. Okay, this is really pretty. I love it so much. It's really tiny. It goes with the micro SD cards. At the same time, you can plug in your phone and you can do this and all of that. So amazing. I love this. This is one of my best gifts. And usually birthdays are the times that I kind of try to invest in my YouTube, because normally I'm never going to buy a 30,000 40,000 wala camera, okay? I am never going to buy that. But look at it, you guys. How cute is this? How cute, how tiny, how... Oh my god. I just cannot wait. This shoots 4K, by the way, okay? So I cannot wait to start content with this. I want to try filming with this, see how fast it is, how slow it is, and then come to a conclusion. But I really love this. Amazing. I love it. I cannot talk anything bad about it. Yeah, come on. First of all, it's DJI. You know how things work, right? And I have high hopes for this. I've never tried it, so I'm gonna try it really soon. Those are all the gifts that I got for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.